Unlocking the benefits of salmon oil. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a very specific phrase that's not only interesting but also quite beneficial to know about: salmon oil. Let's explore what it means, how it's used, and why it might be important for you to know, whether for health reasons or simply expanding your English vocabulary. When we talk about salmon oil, we are referring to the oil that's extracted from the tissue of a salmon, which is a type of fish well known for its pinkish-orange color and popularity in diets around the world. Salmon oil is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential fats that our bodies need but can't produce on their own. This oil is consumed for its health benefits and is often found in liquid form or in capsules as a dietary supplement. The term salmon oil is composed of two words: salmon, which is the name of the fish from which the oil is derived, and oil, which is a term for a slippery liquid that is typically derived from minerals or plants and used for various purposes, including cooking, fuel, and as a dietary supplement. When these two words come together, they describe a product specifically related to the health and wellness industry, as well as cooking and nutrition. Understanding how to use the term salmon oil in a sentence is crucial for language learners. Here are a few examples. 1. Salmon oil is said to support cardiovascular health. 2. Many people take salmon oil capsules daily as part of their supplement routine. 3. You can add salmon oil to your pet's food for a shiny coat. 4. I read an article on the benefits of including salmon oil in our diet. By practicing these sentences, you can get comfortable with the context in which salmon oil might appear in everyday conversation. Why is salmon oil so talked about, anyway? The reason is its vast health benefits. It's known to support heart health, reduce inflammation, improve mental health, benefit eye health, and more. Learning about these benefits not only helps with language comprehension but also provides valuable knowledge that you can apply in real-life conversations about health and nutrition. That's all for today's lesson on salmon oil. We hope you found this video informative and that it added a new term to your English vocabulary. Remember, learning a language is also about understanding the culture and context in which certain phrases are used, and salmon oil is a shining example of this. Stay healthy, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video.